Oh, Thunder Baby.
Gee, this day gets better.
We're alone again. You know what? That's me. Wait. Your poll is correct.
Not falling for that.
No, seriously. It is.
Oh my god, you're right. My poll is correct. Hey Thunderbolt. Take this. Thunderbolt? What? Someone is coming over tonight, so be ready. Okay, I'll go to the repair shed. How may I help? Isn't it obvious? I need a new pole. Oh. I'm afraid we only have metal poles. How would I look as CDO in a metal pole? Maybe I'll be a new color as well. I need repainting too. Okay. Mega Blaster will be with you in a minute. Please stand over here. What color do you want? How about silver? Okay, we'll get to work. I see his boat. He coops odd.
He's here. Hello.
Screamer.
Yes, I am back from 5 years in Germany. Wow. What were you doing in Germany? E57 said I should serve as a backup whenever he was sick or non-functional. And now I'm back in America to be a tornado siren.
Er war ab einer gut siren. Hallo. Ich bin E57. Ich bin ein Luftskit siren aus dem Sweden Weltkrieg. How the heck do you understand him?
I just read the translation at the bottom of the screen. Oh, that's how you understand him.
But, ich muss match Deutschland Zurich. Ich word als Führer siren match dem Krieg in Dienst gestellt. Wir bekommen nicht wirklich tornadoes in Deutschland.
I'm gonna record a video for YouTube.
Okay.
Darn it, 3T22. You disturbed me.
I got a sound for this.
Hey everyone. You look different.
There's my Thunder Baby.
Oh no. Oh crap.
Get over here.
Hello. T121 here. Today I will be showing you how a vacuum cleaner works. Oh god. This TV show sucks. And if you say this show sucks, your head will explode. Oh. Oh my god. What happened? I don't wanna talk about it. Darn it. I just got repainted and now 1003 just rubbed it all off. And I feel silly going back to the repair shed for another silver paint job. What will I do? Hey. What's that? Oh, gross. I do not like the way those two thunderbolts are positioned. Hey look. Another wood pole. This might work. Where's the manager?
Right here. That pole will be $100.
What? Fine. Here you go.
Thanks. Here's the pole.
Thanks. Time to install this pole. There we go. All better.